Welcome to the SoftwareTrailers.com video channel. Today we will be presenting Optinly. Optinly is a goal-based WordPress pop-up plugin with specific triggers to engage visitors and grow your customer base. In addition, Optinly comes with inbuilt growth marketing goals and appropriate pop-up templates that help you create pop-up campaigns with extreme ease. You can grow your email list and increase your revenue by creating pop-ups people love to see. Optinly is built with one purpose: to help online businesses and e-commerce stores thrive. You can create unlimited pop-up campaigns with triggers for any device, exit intent, time delays, and more. It is an excellent alternative to OptinMonster, WisePops, and Poptin. Optinly has over 30 beautiful pop-up templates because there should be a pop-up for every need. These templates are the hard work of many experts who handcrafted it to help skyrocket your marketing campaigns. With Optinly, you engage visitors and monetize traffic using the Optinly Pop-Up Maker. It is so easy to create website pop-ups that your visitors would love to engage with. In the end, you boost sales and conversions with the best lead generation tool around. No design or development skills are required. You get to use pop-up notifications to let your visitors know about your new ebooks, case studies, or upcoming webinars. Notification pop-ups are perfect when you want to grab the instant attention of your website visitors. Best for e-commerce stores and digital marketers wanting to capture user attention with highly effective pop-ups. Optinly is that kind of plugin that has been helping both e-commerce stores and websites scale revenue for quite a while now. Optinly gives you goal-focused templates, a built-in editor, and specific triggers to make the most out of every site visit. You can display completely non-intrusive pop-ups on your web page with a floating sidebar. You can also make them visible when visitors scroll through, using floating sidebar pop-ups as the best way to display important announcements and offers. Optinly was built to make the process of creating pop-up campaigns extremely easy for online business owners and increase revenue multiple folds, all in autopilot mode. That's what makes it different from other pop-up builders. It's super easy to use and always works. You can become a lead converting ninja by creating elegant and engaging on-site pop-up notifications. You can also run personalized lead generation campaigns for customers and visitors because personalization can increase conversions 2x times. Optinly helps businesses monetize traffic and improve conversions every day. If you like what you hear about Optinly, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, check our other videos for many excellent deals on software. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. As a bonus, check out our collection of current software lifetime deals available on the top right of your screen. With dozens of software to choose from, you will probably find a solution to one of your pain points at killer low prices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get our latest software deals and much more.